Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's going to be a review video of the filter by MOLLY-MAE Fake Tan. I am wearing that fake tan right now. If you're new here, then my name's Shaunna. I do videos every Wednesday and Sunday at 6 PM. So if you're interested in any haul video, review video, routines, things like that, then don't forget to hit subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you next time. But other than that, I'm just gonna get on straight into the video. Please remember to give this video a like if you do enjoy it. But without further ado, I'm just gonna get straight on into the video for you. You're going to have to bear with me because my fake tan, well, the bottle is pretty much good. I'm sorry about any background noises that might be to do with my washing machine. My kids are screaming in the background. We love that. First purchased this, and you can purchase it with the mitt as well, which I did. Mitt, I must say, is the best mitt I have ever used. And if you want me to try out any fake tans or any drugstore fake tan mitts or things like that, then let me know in the comment section below and I will also get them out for you and let you know results. You know, that's what we want to see, isn't it? Results. I did this tan on Wednesday. This is the tan now, and I would say it's got a little bit lighter, but it hasn't really got much lighter, to be honest. And now it's been about 5 days. See my dry patch here, it is coming up like dry patches. They are coming up now after a few days. So, but I usually go in with a little tanning moisturizer and it usually goes back to normal. Don't get no leakage inside the mitt. I haven't anyway with mine. I'm not too sure if anyone else has with theirs. I haven't, and the tan works pretty well on your skin. When you sleep in your bed, or you know, I don't usually like wearing pajamas. It does obviously rub off onto your pajamas or whatever like that during the night, which is what I do. I sleep in mine. I always do. I just find it sinks in a lot better and stays onto your skin a lot better. It's washable. It washes off fine. Had no problems getting it off a little bit of my sheets, like say for instance my pillowcase, because I do tan my face as well. Say that you have to leave it on there for 4 to 10 hours. I just do it at night time, or sometimes I get up early in the morning and leave it on all day long, and then I will wash off just before I go to bed. Sometimes it's just easy if I have white bed sheets. The extra dark colour, which works perfectly for me, and you can put it on your skin, and then obviously you can, after an hour of waiting, you can reapply again, which is what I like to do. I'm kind of olive skinned. The sun is not really here often, is it? Let's be honest. Over the years I've learned that I kind of want to look after my skin a lot more and be out of the sun and protect my skin a lot more. Used to put rather fake tan now. I would have never said that back in the day because I never used to know how to fake tan. I used to be orange everywhere, and literally I think I did it when I was like 13, 14, 15. One of those times, and I turned orange and I never done it again. And now I'm in my 20s. Yes, I fake tan and I can finally get it right. I will have another video after this coming out of my tanning routine and everything I do before a tan and when I do my tan and after a tan as well, just so you get to know a little bit about the aftercare I do. And that video will be up after this video, so if you're interested, I don't know what I'm doing here with my hands, okay? They're really distracting me in the viewfinder. If you'd like to see that, then yeah, stay tuned for that. But overall, I will say it's a very nice colour. Not too pink toned, it's not too green tones. It's kind of like a mixture, I would say, of both. And yeah, it just turns into a lovely kind of golden, you know, glow. It looks very, very, very natural. It lasts very, very well. The application process is very easy. Like, you just pump it on, it dissolves into the mitt, which I find fascinating. I would say it also works a lot better on my face than a lot of other products. Now, a lot of other tans I've used, like whenever I put it on my face, it used to cling to like my pores. Now with this one, for me anyway, in my own experience, cling into my pores. Like you see with other tans, you get it where it clings into your pores and it just looks like black, like little freckles everywhere. Like, but it's lit, you can see that it's in your pores, like clogging your pores up. But with this, I did not get that. I would say is that I just don't like the bottle. Like, a load of people on these reviews have said that they like the bottle. Now, I like this bit, but you know, it stays in here for about 2 seconds. It's good for travel to put it in this bit. But as you can see, if it was to leak inside there, because it's cardboard, it does transfer outside this, see, on there. I would say it's a very, very messy bottle, if you can see that. It's very, very messy. Could be in better packaging, that's all I would say. I do like the colours of the packaging. I love the nude tones and things like that, the brown. I love all those colours. I think as well, when you pump the pump, if you take a look around the pump, you can see it's kind of inside that little bit there. So it probably even comes up from the pump itself. But other than that, I absolutely love the tan. It lasts very well. It doesn't dry out your skin that much. My skin has just been really dry lately. It's winter, yeah. Great, we love dry skin, don't we, girl? I'll let you all go with that review, and hopefully I'll see you again on my tanning routine video, where I show you what I do beforehand, during application, and after application too. I'll also be showing you the results from that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy the video. Feel free to share. You know, other than that, I hope you're all well and doing okay. If you're not, then I am here to talk if you really, really need to. Well, even if you just need to. I don't know why I said really, really. Let anyone know that, just in case you're feeling a bit down. You know, these times, we all are kind of feeling a little bit down here and there. It's nothing to be ashamed of. But yes, I'm not gonna get into that. I'm trying to go with the positive vibes in my head. Subscribe. I hope to see you all next time, and have a nice day. Bye.